Hey guys, what's up? I will be doing YouTube videos, and this will be Nerf gun reviews part 3, and I'll be shooting Nerf guns, and I will be showing you those Nerf guns in a second. Subscribe, write a comment. Whoever's following me, great, thank you. Alright, get to it. Here's one of them. It's one of my favorites. As you can see, I've showed this on all my reviews. It is my favorite, actually. Perfect aimer, and I'll show you that.
Hi, America. It's time for you to call and tell me your take on today's show. Here's today's question.
Well, apparently you can't see, but, yeah. And then I got this little midget gun. One of my favorites, too. It's pretty good. And then I got this one. My second favorite. This is my third. This is my second. This is my first. We'll be shooting it just to this wall. And write a comment. Do whatever you can. Alright, first I'm going to be doing this big gun. Alright. And put another bullet in it. Alright. One more bullet to this gun. Alright, you see that? Now, we got this gun. Alright, now we're doing the sidewinder. Let's see how high we can get. That's all we got for today. You know, I think you want to see a little bit more, don't you? Alright, we'll do a little more. How about we do a little more with my midget gun? Perfect? Word, sweet. I gotta load it. That'll be easy.
Call Fast Annuity Advance now and get $500 cash fast. You don't have to sell your settlement payments to get $500 fast. Good credit is not required to get $500 fast. And there's no employment check to get $500 fast. If you have a structured settlement or annuity, don't wait to get $500 fast. Go to 500fast.com or call 800-523-8318.
Sometimes.
When a diet pill sells over 1 million.
Alright, just grab the gun. She's right here, and we got this fully loaded.
But when it sells over,
That's as loaded as it gets. Ready? I'm going to make it look like you're shooting the gun.
I lost 45 pounds in 2 weeks using my protein. I lost 7 inches. I lost 3 breast sizes, and I feel amazing.
Lipozene is now sold over 20 million dollars. That's because lipozene really works. In fact, in clinical studies, those lipozene lost weight, all while being asked not to change their lifestyle. That means they were asked not to change their diet or exercise. They were simply instructed.
Okay, that's all for today. Alright, thanks. Bye.